Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. One of our week 3 submissions for our Fast Trucks Matter contest is Technician Troy. Troy was in the No Name National 500 this year and competed in his S10. Here's a little about his truck.
It is a 1995 GMC Sonoma extended cab. Started its life off as a 4-cylinder. It's a stock 5.3, 9.5 to 1 compression. It's got a BTR stage 3 cam in it, a little bit of headwork, springs, valves, and AC because I'm fat.
The transmission is a 4L65E with a 3000 stall from Roadrunners converters. In addition, it has a narrowed Ford 9-inch with 411 gears and a Detroit locker. The truck runs 820s consistently in the 8 mile and is a full-blown street truck. Let's see it in action. If you are not already a subscriber to Technician Troy, go check him out. And as always, please like and subscribe.